The War in the Pacific, turning the tide of World War II. The atomic bomb, a turning point in warfare. Japan's surrender and the aftermath of World War II. The surprise attack. Scene opens with peaceful skies over Hawaii. Suddenly, Japanese planes appear and explosions erupt. The attack on Pearl Harbor, a day of infamy. Narrator. December 7th, 1941. A calm Sunday morning shattered by a surprise attack. The Empire of Japan launched an assault on the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor. Cut to chaos, sailors running, ships on fire, planes crashing. Admiral. Sound the alarm! Get those planes in the air now! Narrator. The attack claimed over 2,400 American lives and destroyed much of the Pacific Fleet. It was a devastating blow that pushed the United States into World War II. Scene shifts to Washington, D.C., where President Roosevelt addresses Congress. President Roosevelt. Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy, Japan attacked the United States. We must act decisively. The Pacific, turning the tide of World War II. Montage of battles, planes dogfighting, ships exchanging fire, soldiers storming beaches. The United States mobilized its forces, fighting a series of brutal battles in the Pacific. Each victory brought them closer to Japan's mainland. Focus on the Battle of Midway, 1942. Military commander. Hit those carriers, this is our chance to turn the tide. The War in the Pacific, turning the tide of World War II. Narrator. The Battle of Midway marked a turning point, weakening Japan's naval power. From there, U.S. forces engaged in a grueling island-hopping campaign, capturing strategic locations like Iwo Jima and Okinawa. Atomic bomb, a turning point in warfare. Scene shifts to a secret laboratory where scientists are gathered around a glowing device. The atomic bomb, a turning point in warfare. While battles raged in the Pacific, American scientists worked on a secret project, the atomic bomb. Known as the Manhattan Project, it was a weapon of unprecedented power. Scientist. This could end the war, but at what cost? Scene transitions to August 6, 1945. A plane flies over Hiroshima. The atomic bomb, a turning point in warfare. On August 6, 1945, the U.S. dropped the first atomic bomb, codenamed Little Boy, on Hiroshima. The devastation was unimaginable. Scenes of destruction, silent aftermath, and a clock ticking. 3 days later, Nagasaki faced the same fate with the second bomb, Fat Man. Tens of thousands perished instantly, and countless others would suffer the effects of radiation. And surrender and the aftermath of World War II. Scene shows Emperor Hirohito addressing the nation via radio. Emperor Hirohito. To avoid further suffering, we must accept the Allied terms. Japan will surrender unconditionally. On August 15, 1945, Japan surrendered, bringing World War II to an end. The atomic bombings remain some of the most controversial events in history, marking the dawn of the nuclear age. Montage of rebuilding efforts, survivors, and reflections on the cost of war. War left scars across the world, but also a lesson. Peace must be pursued to prevent such devastation from happening again. Fade to black with solemn music and text on screen. In remembrance of the lives lost, may we strive for peace in our time.